Hello children, Sai Ram. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine and healthy at your home with your family members. Good morning children. Sai Ram. Today in maths we are going to start a new chapter. Chapter number 2. Name is Fun with Numbers. So children, as name describes fun with numbers, so let's have some fun with numbers from 0 to 10. From 0 to 10. So children, let's have some fun. Okay, now start some fun with numbers. Okay children, now look here. The number is 0. The number is 0. Okay children. So what we can draw with 0? We can draw a clock. We can draw a clock. Yes? Yes, we can draw. Now children, come to our next number. The number 1. The number 1. What we can draw with number 1? We can draw a rabbit. We can draw a rabbit. Now come to our next number. Now come to our next number 2. Children, what we can draw with 2? We can draw a swam. We can draw a swam. Now come to our next number. Number 3. What we can draw with number 3? We can draw a bird. We can draw a bird. Okay children? What we can draw? We can draw a bird. Now from number 4, what we can draw? We can draw a kite. We can draw a kite. Is it interesting children? Yes, it is very interesting. We can have some fun with numbers also. Okay, now come to our next number. Number 5. Number 5. From number 5, what we can draw? We can draw an apple. We can draw an apple. Now from number 6. From number 6. What we can draw children? We can draw a peacock. We can draw a peacock. Now come to our next number. Number 7. From number 7, what we can draw? We can draw a boat. We can draw a boat. Now come to our next number. Number 8. Number 8. Now what we can draw? Can you guess? Yes, correct children. We can draw a snowman. We can draw a snowman. Now come to our next number. Number 9. Number 9. What we can draw with our number 9? We can draw a honeybee. We can draw a honeybee. Okay children? Now come to our number 10. Now from number 10, what we can draw? We can draw a penguin. We can draw a penguin. So children, now we did some fun with our numbers 0 to 10. Now children, come back to our chapter Fun with Numbers. Basically, we can do certain things with our numbers. Like we can do certain pictures from our numbers, and we can also have certain type of method from our numbers. Like we can do addition, we can do subtraction, we can do multiplication, or we can do many more things. So children, now come back to our chapter 2, Fun with Numbers. Now come back to chapter. Now in this children, question first, Radhika, Gauri, Vicky, Sunil were collecting imli or tamarind. You know, tamarind we are calling imli. Okay, they were collecting what? They were collecting tamarind seeds. They were collecting tamarind seeds. So children, come back to our chapter Fun with Numbers. So let's have a look. Now here some of the children are collecting tamarind seeds. Tamarind we call imli. Okay children. In this, some of the character having how many seeds, this describe here. Now Vicky having 42 seeds. Radhika having 24 seeds of tamarind. Gauri having 47 seeds. Sunil having how many seeds? 38. And Indra having 54 seeds. Indra having 54 seeds. So children, here are some children, those who were collecting tamarind seeds, and number of seeds, how many they were having. This they specify in the question. Now children, come back to our question. In this, dash collected the most seeds. Children, can you tell me what does mean most seeds? Most seeds means which of them having most of them seeds. So let's have a look. In this, Indra is having most of the seeds. She is having 54 seeds. How many seeds? 54 seeds. Now next part, Sunil will collect more seeds to be equal to Vicky. In this, they were asking how many seeds will Sunil collect to be equal seeds that Vicky is having. Now first, come here. Sunil is having how many seeds? 38. How many seeds? 38. Okay children. And Vicky is having 42 seeds. So how many seeds will Sunil collect to have the equal seeds Vicky have. He is having 38. If we will add 4, then what we will get? 42. So, how many seeds will Sunil collect? Sunil will collect 4 seeds. Listen carefully. I will give you solution. First, listen carefully. Okay, what I am explaining you. Now, if Radhika gets 6 more seeds, she will have, if Radhika, now come to Radhika. Radhika is having 24 seeds. How many seeds Radhika having? 24. They were telling if Radhika collect 6 more seeds, how many seeds will she get? She will get 30. If we add 24 plus 6 is equals to 30. So Radhika will get 30 seeds. So she will have how many seeds? I told you. Yes, children. Very good. 30. Now, how many children have more than 40 seeds? How many children have more than 40 seeds? Now, let's have a look. 1. He is having 42. 2. Gauri is having 47. Okay. Gauri is having 47. And Indra is having 54. So they were asking how many students are having more than 40 seeds. So 3 children are having more than 40 seeds. Vicky, Gauri, Indra. Vicky is having 42. Gauri is having 47. And Indra is having 54. Now come to next. That dash needs more seed to have 50. Dash needs 3 more seeds to have 50. Now let's have a look. They were telling if some of them will get 3 more seeds and the seeds become 50. Now look here, in this is 24. In this we add 3, that is 27. So this is not. In this if we add 3, that is 45. So this is also not. In this we add 3, but it becomes 57. So we want 50. So this is also not. Here we are having 38. If we add 3, that is 41. So Sunil will also not. Now last is Gauri. Gauri is having 47 seeds. How many seeds? 47 seeds. If we add 3 in 47, so how many seeds will Gauri get? It would be 50. So Gauri will add 3 seeds of tamarind, then she will be getting 50 seeds. How many? 50 seeds. Now Sunil has 2 seeds less than 40 and Dash has 2 seeds more than 40. Now let's have a look. Sunil is having 2 seeds less than. Means 38 he is having. So less than 40 he is having 38. Now who is having more than 42 seeds? That is Vicky. If we add 40 plus 2, if we add 40 plus 2 is equals to 42. So Vicky is having more than 2 seeds. That is 40. More than 40. So he is having 42 seeds together. Okay children. Now come back to our solution. I have given you solution. Whatever is written with this black marker, this is your solution. Okay children. So do this, practice this. Now come to our next question. In this is a dot game. This is a dot game. Guess the number of dots in the circle. Now count and check. Now count and check your guess. Play this game with your friends by making circles. See who can guess best. In this, can you guess the number dots on me? Okay, now he is asking how many dots he is having. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many dots? 7. How many dots? 7. Now can you count a dot on aunt? Now come here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many dots? 6. Now come back to our game. In this there is one circle. In this they have to guess the numbers of dots in the circle. So let's have a look. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So here it is 16 dots. How many dots? 16. So children, same with others, what you will do? You will make one circle. Okay. Now you will guess in a circle how many dots are there. This one I did for you. Here it is 16 dots. Here 7. Here 6. So in this and rest of the circle you will make and you play this dot game with your friends. Okay. Okay children. Now come back to our next question. Next question is, This I told you, children. Okay. Now, second question. Dhoni scored 96 run. So, they were asking how many runs that Dhoni should score so that he will have a century. 96 plus 6 means he is having 6 more runs. So 6 more runs he is having. So the run is 102. So children, can you tell me at what number a century can be made? The number is 100. On a number 100. Children, when we are having 100 number in a match, when we scored 100 number in a match, then it is our first century. If we scored 200, then second century. Okay children, same, if we scored 100, that means we scored a century. Now come back to our next question. Question number 3. How many runs do these players need to complete a century? Like children, look here. So children, player 1 is having 93 run, player 2 is having 97 run, and player 3 is having 89 run, and player 4 is having 99 run. So let's have a look. How many runs do these players need to have a century? Let's have a look. First player is having 93, second is 97, third is 89 runs scored, and fourth is 99. If they want to complete their century make at 100. So how many scores they have to complete more? Now come back. 100 minus 93 is 7. 100 minus 97 is 3. 100 minus 89. Next, 100 minus 99. So children, first player needs how many runs to complete a century? That is 7 runs. How many runs? 7 runs. If we minus 100 minus 93, that will come 7. Now second player, player second, he scored 97 runs. So if he did 100 minus 97, so what will come? 3. So he need to score how many runs? That is 3. Now 100 minus 89, third player. So what will come? What will come? 11. What will come? 11. So third player need to score 11 runs to have his century to be completed, and fourth player needs 100 minus 99 is equals to 1. So he needs to score only 1 run to complete his century. So children, you will do like this by making column, and this worksheet I have given you. Let's have a look. Century means, what does century means? I told you century means 100. 100 having which place? 100 having which place? 1, 2, 3. So 1 stands and 100. So third place. Children, third place. Dash collected most seeds. Who collected the most seeds? Indra. Who collected the most seeds? Indra. Sunil will collect dash more seeds to be equal to Vicky. So, how many seeds Sunil needs to collect? That is, I told you 4. If Radhika gets 6 more seeds, she will have how many? How many seeds? 30. 24 plus 6 is equals to 30. How many children have more than 40 seeds? Now, how many children are having more than 40 seeds? In that, we had a look. You can go back to our chapter. They are 3. How many? 3. More than 40. 1, 2 and 3. So, how many children are having more than 40? That is 3. Dash needs 3 more seeds to have 50. To have 50. So, who needs? So, children, that is Gauri. Gauri needs 3 more seeds because she is having 47. If we add 3, then it will become 50. Now, last, Sunil has 2 seeds less than 40. He is having 38 seeds and has 2 seeds more than 40. Who is having more than 40? That is Vicky. So children, let's have a look. Century means 100. 100 having third place. Dash collected the most seeds. Who collected the most seeds? Indra. Sunil will collect dash more seeds to equal to Vicky. That is how many? 4. Because he is having 38. If Radhika gets 6 more seeds, she will have 30 seeds. How many children have more than 40 seeds? How many children are having more than 40 seeds? That is 3. So children, this is your worksheet. So you have to complete this and you have to revise your chapter properly. And children, one more homework I am giving to you. You have to write down tables. You have to write down tables. So children, that is your homework. You have to write down tables from 5 to 15. Okay children, you have to write down tables from 5 to 15. This is your homework. So do this properly. Okay. Now children, thank you. Do your chapter properly, revise your chapter properly and do homework. Okay, write down tables and next we will continue our in next class. So children, thank you. Bye bye. Have fun with numbers.